Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion and Grammar. So friends, how are you all? I hope that you guys will be getting fine. So back again with a very beautiful and stunning collection of embroidered tunic cotton top designing ideas. In this video guys, you can enjoy many more beautiful designing ideas of tunic tops with hand embroidery and machine embroidery work. Beautiful and stylish work on sleeves, on neckline, and beautiful works on top designing ideas. Beautiful use of thread works, looks more beautiful on tops. It's look more beautiful in summer's vacations. Beautiful cotton tunic top designing ideas, short tunic top designing ideas. I hope you guys will love all this collection, so please don't skip the video, watch till the end. Beautiful work on neck and sleeves. I hope you guys will love all this collection and you will love all this beautiful cotton top designing ideas for summers, especially summers cotton top designing ideas. So guys, if you are new my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. And if you do not visit my channel so please friend, visit my channel for the latest and trendy fashion updates. I also uploaded beautiful videos on beautiful and stylish cloth designing ideas and many more. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and share, and please press the bell icon to get any notification of my new videos. So keep enjoying the video, keep in touch with my channel for the latest and trendy fashion updates. Beautiful cotton top designing ideas with embroidery work. Hope you guys will love all this collection, and thanks for the previous appreciation on my previous videos. So meet you in the next video. Till the next video, take care of you friends.